Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and create the ultimate all-in-one Windows repair USB toolkit using Sergei Strelec WinPE. This powerful bootable USB includes hundreds of useful tools for troubleshooting, repairing, and recovering Windows PCs. With Sergei Strelec WinPE you can partition and manage disks, backup and restore Windows recovered deleted files, reset forgotten Windows passwords, access files when Windows won't boot and test hardware and repair system problems. I'll also show you how to change or reset a forgotten Windows 11 password using the tools included inside Strelec WinPE. Whether your PC is not starting, your files are missing, or you forgot your password, this rescue USB can help fix many common Windows problems. So let's download it, create the bootable USB, and explore the tools included inside. First, open your browser and go to sergeistrelec.name. On the homepage, find the latest WinPE English version and open it. Scroll down until you see the green button, click on it. There are usually multiple mirrors available. For this video, we'll use the Mega download link. Click on Mega and start downloading zip file. Depending on your internet speed, this may take some time because the file is quite large. After the download is complete, we also need Rufus to create the bootable USB. Open a new tab and go to Rufus' official website, rufus.ie. Download the latest version of Rufus. Go back to the Sergei Strelec webpage and copy the RAR password shown on the site. This password is required to extract the file. Now extract RAR file. Paste the password you copied from the website and continue. After extraction, you'll get the ISO file. Now connect your USB flash drive to the computer. Keep in mind that all files on the USB drive will be erased, so back up important data first. Open Rufus. Under Device, select your USB drive. Next to Boot selection, click Select and choose the Sergei Strelec ISO file. Now click Start. If Rufus asks additional questions, leave the default options and continue. The bootable USB creation process will now begin. Wait until the status shows ready. Once completed, close Rufus safely and eject the USB drive. Now connect this USB to the computer where you want to use Strelec WinPE. Restart the computer and open the boot menu. Usually, you can press keys like F12, F11, Escape, or Dell depending on your motherboard or laptop brand. Select the USB drive from the boot menu. After a few moments, Sergei Strelec WinPE will load. You'll now see a desktop environment with many useful tools. Let's quickly look at some of the important categories. First, disk partition tools. These tools allow you to create, delete, resize, format, or manage partitions on your hard drive or SSD. Very useful when reinstalling Windows or organizing storage drives. Next, backup and recovery tools. You can create a full backup image of your Windows system and restore it later if something goes wrong. This is helpful before upgrading Windows or replacing a hard drive. Another important section is file recovery. If you accidentally deleted files, formatted a drive, or lost data after a crash, these recovery tools may help restore your files. There are also password recovery tools. If you forgot your Windows login password, some tools inside Strelec WinPE can help reset or remove the password so you can access your PC again. Antivirus scanners, hardware testing tools, network utilities, file managers, browser tools, and many other advanced repair applications. This makes Sergei Strelec WinPE one of the best all-in-one rescue environments for Windows users and technicians. And that's it. Now you know how to download Sergei Strelec WinPE, create a bootable USB using Rufus, and boot into the recovery environment. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.